To start, log in to your ChatGPT account. First, we need to identify our target audience. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us define our ideal customer profile. ChatGPT did it for you within seconds. Here's the customer profile information that you requested. Now that we have our target audience, let's generate a prospecting email template to reach out to them. Here's a prospecting email template tailored for marketing. Crafting the right subject line is crucial for open rates. Let's ask ChatGPT to suggest some attention-grabbing subject lines for our cold emails. Here are some of the attention-grabbing subject lines generated for you. Once we get responses, we need to nurture those leads. Let's draft a series of emails for our lead nurturing campaign. ChatGPT creates a series of email drafts for the campaign in a minute. To better understand our prospects, let's research the SaaS industry and identify key players we should target. ChatGPT can gather the entire market research in seconds. There is a lot more that ChatGPT can help with.